Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that can transform your living space into a smart lighting haven, the Philips Hue Starter Kit. We found this kit online, and we've included a link in the description down below so you can check the latest price and availability. The Philips Hue Starter Kit includes everything you need to get started with smart lighting in your home. Inside the box, you'll find the Hue Bridge Pro and 4 A19 E26 LED smart bulbs. These bulbs are designed to produce both cool to warm and full color light, making them perfect for customizing the ambience in any room. Whether you're looking to create a cozy atmosphere for movie night or a vibrant setting for a dinner party, these bulbs have you covered. One of the standout features of the Philips Hue Starter Kit is its capacity for expansion. The Hue Bridge Pro allows you to migrate all your existing Hue devices and supports up to 150 LED lights and 50 accessories. This means that as your smart home grows, your lighting can grow with it. It's a fantastic option for those who are just starting their smart home journey or for seasoned users looking to enhance their setup. Another impressive feature is the Hue Motion Aware capability. You can program your LED light bulbs to turn on automatically when they detect movement. All you need are 3 Hue devices to set this up. There's no need for separate motion sensors. This feature is especially handy for walkways or rooms that you frequently enter, as it provides convenience and energy savings. But that's not all. By adding the Philips Bridge, you unlock a suite of additional features, including Hue Sync lighting, security integration, and the ability to store up to 500 scenes and more automations. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for how you can use your lights to fit your lifestyle. Now, let's talk about the lighting options themselves. The Philips Hue bulbs offer tunable warm-to-cool white light, along with access to an incredible 16 million colors. This versatility allows you to find the perfect light to match your mood or the time of day. Whether you want bright, energizing light for your home office or soft, warm light for a relaxing evening, these smart bulbs can adapt to your needs. With a maximum brightness of 1100 lumens, these bulbs also provide deep dimming capabilities. This means you can easily set the lighting to suit any activity, whether it's reading, entertaining guests, or winding down for the night. So, who is this product suitable for? The Philips Hue Starter Kit is ideal for tech enthusiasts, home automation fans, and anyone who enjoys customizing their living space. If you love the idea of controlling your lighting via your smartphone or voice, this kit is for you. It also appeals to families looking to enhance safety with motion-activated lights or those who simply want to elevate the aesthetic of their home with stylish, customizable lighting. In terms of practical use cases, you can set up different light scenes for various occasions. For example, create a lively atmosphere for a party with colorful lighting, or use soft white light for a calm dinner setting. The ability to program automation means that you can have your lights turn on and off at specific times, which is perfect for security or simply for convenience. In summary, the Philips Hue Starter Kit is a fantastic way to get started with smart lighting. With its impressive features, capacity for expansion, and versatile lighting options, it's a smart addition to any home. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.